Joining me now, Shantika Banerjee, the newly elected MLA from Baranagar, who's finally taken oath in the West Bengal Assembly after a month-long standoff with the governor. Ma'am, you've taken oath. How does it feel?
It feels great, and like now definitely you can say that the newly elected MLA, because until just a little while ago we were also confused that whether we can be called an MLA or not, but now yes.
And the fact that it didn't need to go on for so long, was it? Do you feel it was unnecessary?
Yeah, it was unnecessary because unnecessary. I felt that it was just stretched to another extent because already it was the by-elections, and then the term ends in another 2 years, 1.5 years. So there's no time for us to work. So I think this could have been avoided.
First an election, then a battle to get take oath. As MLA, what are your priorities?
Priorities are serving my people from Boranagar, and definitely this one was tougher, I think, than being elected there back there at Boranagar. But then yes, I thank all the people in Boranagar, and I wish to work for them. And yeah, Joy Bangla. That's all.
फाइनली आपका ओथ हो गया क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं?
देखिए मैसेज यही है जो हम लोग चाह रहे थे ना, जिसलिए हम डिमांड कर रहे थे, जो विद ड्यू रेस्पेक्ट वी अपील टू द गवर्नर एंड रिक्वेस्ट आल्सो टू गिव अस ओथ इन द असेंबली, लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. सो जो हम लोग चाहते थे, जो ट्रेडिशन आ रहा है सालों से, बरसों से जो ट्रेडिशन हुआ है पूरा देश में, पूरा इंडिया में, कई दिन हो गया हमारा लोकसभा इलेक्शन जो हो गया हमारा साथ ही हुआ, रिजल्ट भी हमारे साथ ही आउट हुआ. तो वहाँ क्या देखा हमने कि पूरा जो लोकसभा का जो वोट होता है पूरा प्रोटेम स्पीकर के माध्यम से हुआ है. तो हम लोग यही चाहते हैं कि जो ट्रेडिशन बचा हुआ है हमारा इंडियंस के लिए, वो ट्रेडिशन में हम बरकरार रहे या हम उसको बचा कर रखें.
So that was Shantika Banerjee and Riyat Hussain Sarkar, the two MLAs who finally managed to take oath today as MLAs of the Vidhan Sabha after a month-long standoff with the West Bengal governor. With camera person GD Shankar in Kolkata, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.